Hey, what up YouTube? It is your boy BICTOR and welcome back. It's back to another video.
Okay,
Yeah, hope you guys like that intro. And it's a new intro, you know. Something to be about, you know. Specified by Bonk Song. Yeah, Bonk Zonk, everything, bro. Anyways, yeah. Another guy. Today I woke up pretty early for what I do not know, but yeah. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And oh, okay, I'm not done. So yeah, go see Solia. But yeah, guys, right now I have to take out the dustbin because it's Wednesday, and yeah, they come and collect the dustbins and stuff. So yeah, I was still saying that in today's vlog, we're not gonna be doing much, honestly. Today's vlog, Chewy came back, so we're going to see Chewy and stuff. We're gonna spend the whole day with Chewy, technically, and yeah.
ASAP got the hit, boy.
But she took me for everything. She wanted many things. I vlogged down here. That would be extra dope, actually. But anyways, yeah. Today we're gonna be spending the day with Chewy. We do not know yet what we're gonna do, but I know what we're gonna do is nothing hectic or nothing crazy. We're just gonna chill, bro. And yeah, man, stick around for the vibes and the vibes to be the vibes on challenge and stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Look, the Nchebe is growing, dog. The Nchebe is growing, dog. I'm coming. Get it. I'm coming, dog. Look there. I'm on my way. Standing on business. Anyways, we're back at it like crack at it. Yeah, man. Stay dirty. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I love you guys and stuff. Okay. Bitch in Oakland City. Watch you see. Yeah, it's like you're supposed to be opening this for me. I'm a baddie. This is just supposed to have my name, boy. Then why you drive you sound like a taxi. After I knew it was you, then I came outside. I was like, nah, man. It's definitely this nigga.
Well, you had the car from the road.
Yeah, because of the music. But anyways, we're going to the mall. We're going out and stuff.
Yeah,
Daddy's taking me out.
Yeah, I'm taking him out. I'm taking my princess out, you know what I'm saying? Come on,
It'd be like that, man. Hey, man, you gotta love your homies, man. Wait, let me try to check. Are you in a rush?
Huh?
Are you in a rush?
Nah, just drive like this.
Yeah, like wait, let's go check Coco. Let's go check Coco. What are you going to buy at the mall?
Huh?
What are you going to buy at the mall? Nah, his mom is calling. She promised.
Hello? Get in. I
don't know what they're saying. But yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
For what, man? What are they saying? Nah. I'ma get in there and say, what up, peach?
Man, you must make quick.
No, peach. Kan bar banyak kan?
What a give you a seat.
Okay.
It's a seat. Yeah, because I just
What the hell? What?
What a give you a seat so,
Nah, that's crazy. Guys, we're follow drivers, bro. The nigga driver calls at you. Imo, lean back, bro. What are you doing leaning forward like a little Like a little, yeah. But anyways, yeah, man, yeah. But anyways, we're gonna go get Coco.
Been outside now for a while. Motherfucker's taking way too much time. My mother's gonna tell me shit. Like, I'm not ready. I know I wanted to come back home, but now I'm back here, you know, just so I can take my baby out. You know, my baby can't be here chilling by himself, dog. So, yeah.
How is it possible that what's an gravely? I don't know which way we use music.
I'm gonna put you.
I don't put road, they just fixed the road, bro. Nah, man, now you just lied, bro. But yeah, man, anyways, yesterday guys, I vlogged, but then I deleted the vlog because I was getting irritated because when I edited it, it kept looking weird, so I just deleted the whole thing. And forgive me, guys, and stuff. And yeah, so right now we're heading to the mall. What are we going to buy? I don't know, because I don't know. Bank balance 0. What are we going to buy?
I don't know.
Go buy the anyanyes.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
For real? So we're going to the mall to buy vegetables.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
I'm playing. I'm gonna buy eggs.
Eggs?
That's dumb.
Nah, they ain't like that like that. Y'all got it like that.
That's dumb, but no. I mean,
Bodie feels abandoned at home. That's crazy.
what?
You feel abandoned at home. Hey, boy, get home doesn't feel the same anymore. I feel like a visitor now.
I feel like I don't belong.
I feel like I'm visiting, bro. Like I think it's not home anymore, bro. I'm trying to live. Like every time I'm trying to leave, bro, it be like that. So guys, yeah, I'm heading to the mall right now, and yeah, we're gonna come back. Coco is still bopping. Coco, what's up, man?
Yeah, smell.
What do you do?
Smell. I need a bug.
Like the flow of my ears and shit.
Smell.
Yeah, I woke up and worked out. That's because I don't have a haircut, bro. Listen to this nigga, man. I'm another 6 episode. Bro, like I just don't have a haircut.
Nobody has a haircut.
Haircut is quite expensive. Yo, 60 rand.
There's only legends in Melbourne. I went there, so I told them what I want. 320, huh? 320.
Wait, nigga, we started paying like 250 for haircuts because we had to dye our hair. That is mad. But anyways, Romalania haircut.
I'm not dying.
Huh?
I'm dying.
What? What about it?
I don't know.
Don't tell me you fucked up. TV. What do you mean? You think we're dying? Are we dying? Huh? What's going on at the wheel, boy?
This one is fine. But I don't know about this one, dog. But I found it like this.
What do you mean we're dying, though?
Like it's doing this, dog.
Bro, do you want us to die in the woods, bro? Hey, this thing.
When you die happy, suddenly say this.
Promise that's still good in me. I know I've done wrong. Been away from the city and I know it's been too long, too long. Sorry I changed on you. Sorry I changed. Sorry I changed on you.
I'm hurt. Oh, sorry. What?
They put like fiery.
Fried chips.
Yeah.
These are which Doritos?
Huh? Ari.
Okay.
Eh? Regular chocolate.
Big slab.
Malagano kita lain niya yung fruit so.
Erge mama. So you got chocolate, guys. And happy Christmas and happy New Year.
Hey man, this shit is hard to use, yo. Yes. Hey, it's hard to use. But wait, I'm learning. Calm down, darling.
Because most people who usually vlog, man.
Say what?
Bala, marga wala pizza. Because this thing is not pizza. If you don't know it.
Like, hey,
But yeah, guys, we got to the mall and we bought chocolate after 2 hours of driving. Yeah.
people are looking at us now and stuff. Why?
I'm used to it.
Like, they don't want to be on TV. This is TV, guys. SABC 1.
La conference in Solantia.
They're not going to conference.
Conference in Kenya, I have checked again our regular one of the Christmas.
And then, I conference next Nargo. What's one?
I'm not going to move it.
I'm not going to go check. What if Gargarabella? Minimum Hamasari and Oba. Such a. Raul, I'm doing my Pamusari. Such a
go tell up a conference in again out there.
and Lavana Logarama Gagger. I tell you,
what's all in
Your problems are mainly great.
well, I got shave. I can go to Christmas. Let it? Tabake, no, Runor. Yeah.
I'm not a conference. Special. What is special and regular from him? Oh, as I used to watch from him. It's in Bajalar, not a custom.
Abe, as long as give a rega. As long as give a rega to them pay.
Buying the egg. Malbar de Vega Chaponyawan. Hey, Hey, Yani, best. I saw the way he was looking at you. I'm like, hey, this nigga about to beat you up. Yeah, guys, we're from buying bread and stuff. Bread and chocolate.
Hey, there's someone that I've been avoiding in here, so what's wrong?
Man.
Someone that's trying.
She's
here.
Where?
Thick as hell. She works in here.
So we must start running?
Huh? No, we forgot.
In the
To
car.
buy and then put everything in the car.
And then go back to SUBCRIBE.
Right, yeah.
And Chewy's tripping, guys. Chewy's not okay. Give your boy haircut money, honestly. Didn't you say we must put it in our shop? I bought the clothes and then you tell her size 7 or nana. Yeah, that was a simple question. Like, Yeah, and then why you feed her? Like you fit 1, 2, then you go.
Oh, God, you know you want me to finish.
No, you can wear a slide.
Do you even have time for that? No, I'm too relaxed.
Fuck a bed, fit a slide, and then after that you don't say anything, you just leave the shop. You're gonna be crazy. I would do that though.
I ain't doing that, dog.
I would do that. Huh?
I'm not doing that.
But that's
do it.
huh?
Come, let me take you.
No, I think she knows you, she doesn't know me.
What difference does it make?
It was gonna be more guitaring, more funny if she knows you and you're trying to act like you don't know her.
I'll act like I don't know, but the sure thing you're gonna do.